Colonial interior design is a style deeply rooted in history, shaped by centuries of cultural exchanges, craftsmanship, and architectural influence. Emerging from the colonial era when European powers settled in various parts of the world, this design style reflects the fusion of European traditions with local materials, artistry, and spatial adaptations. Today, colonial design continues to captivate homeowners and designers who appreciate its refined elegance, warm atmosphere, and rich storytelling of the past. The essence of colonial interior design, including its key characteristics, materials, furniture styles, color palettes, and modern adaptations that keep the look relevant in contemporary spaces. Understanding the origins of colonial interior design. Colonial interior design originated during the 17th to early 20th centuries, when European settlers, primarily from Britain, Spain, Portugal, and the Netherlands, brought their architectural and decorative tastes to the regions they colonized. These styles adapted over time as settlers blended their cultural influences with local craftsmanship and resources. For instance, British colonial style emerged in Southeast Asia, India, and Africa, featuring teak wood, cane furniture, and tropical inspiration. Spanish colonial style spread across Latin America and the southern United States, combining European ornamentation with indigenous materials like adobe and terracotta. Dutch colonial style influenced Indonesia, North America, and the Caribbean, integrating clean lines, practicality, and expansive structural details. Each interpretation carries its own regional identity while maintaining the shared European heritage that defines colonial design as a whole. Key characteristics of colonial interior design. Colonial interiors are defined by a harmonious balance between simplicity and sophistication. Major elements of this style include 1. Symmetry and architectural order. Symmetry is a central concept in colonial design. Rooms are arranged in a balanced layout, with furniture placement reflecting neatness and functionality. Architectural features such as paneled walls, large windows, lofty ceilings, and grid-patterned layouts create an orderly and inviting environment. 2. Natural materials and strong craftsmanship. Because colonists relied heavily on local resources, natural materials became a hallmark of the style. Common materials include hardwood, teak, mahogany, oak, rattan and wicker, stone and brick, terracotta and ceramic tiles. These materials not only reflect durability but also add warmth and textural richness to the interior. 3. Neutral and earthy color palette. Colonial spaces typically incorporate muted tones inspired by nature. Cream, white, beige, and taupe for walls. Warm wood tones for furniture and flooring. Subtle green, navy, or burgundy accents. This color scheme creates a calm, elegant backdrop while highlighting handcrafted items and vintage pieces. 4. Decorative accents with cultural blend. The influence of local culture is evident in decorative details such as hand-carved motifs, traditional textiles, maps, globes, and historical artwork, brass or wrought iron accessories. These elements infuse personality into the space and reflect the region's heritage. Furniture style. Classic, sturdy, and artisan crafted. Colonial furniture prioritizes functionality, comfort, and fine craftsmanship. Signature characteristics include solid wood construction with intricate carving, curved silhouettes seen in chairs, cabinets, and bed frames, canopy beds adorned with draped fabrics, cane or wicker surfaces for ventilation in tropical climates, vintage-inspired storage pieces, such as trunks and chests. Many colonial-style furniture pieces reflect status and refinement while maintaining practical use. A balance rooted in the lifestyle of early settlers. Textiles and patterns. Bringing softness and cultural identity. Textiles play a crucial role in adding warmth and softness to colonial interiors. They often showcase a mix of European elegance and indigenous craftsmanship. Common textile elements include linen or cotton fabrics for lightness and comfort, damask, floral, and botanical motifs for a classic touch, hand-woven rugs and tapestries featuring local artistry, sheer drapes to filter natural light indoors. Patterns are applied with moderation, ensuring they enhance rather than overwhelm the design's composed elegance. Lighting. Elegant ambience with historical charm. Colonial lighting reflects the atmosphere of candlelit and lantern-lit interiors from older times. To maintain authenticity while adapting to modern comfort, Lighting typically combines chandeliers and pendant lamps with wrought iron details, table lamps with fabric shades, wall sconces providing soft and warm illumination. Natural light is also maximized through high ceilings and large windows, emphasizing the connection between indoor and outdoor environments. Colonial accessories and decorative touches. Small details bring the colonial aesthetic to life. Accessories are thoughtfully curated rather than excessive. Popular decor items include antique mirrors in wooden or gilded frames, botanical illustrations and historical maps, porcelain vases and classic ceramic wares, trunks, travel chests, and globes symbolizing exploration, bookshelves filled with hardbound classics. These accessories reflect stories of travel, discovery, and cross-cultural influence, central themes in colonial history. Bringing the outdoors inside. A tropical influence. In many colonies, especially in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean, the climate encouraged interiors to adapt to tropical living. This influence can be seen through indoor plants like palms and ferns, wide verandas or breezy terraces, ventilated furniture such as louvered cabinets and rattan chairs. The transition between indoors and outdoors feels seamless, allowing fresh air, greenery, and sunlight to be integral elements of the design. Modern adaptations of colonial interior design. Today's approach to colonial style preserves its classic appeal while incorporating functional updates and contemporary aesthetics. Modern interpretations often include 1. Cleaner lines and minimalist approach. While traditional elements remain, excessive ornamentation is toned down for a more streamlined modern feel. 2. Eco-friendly materials. Sustainable wood, recycled rattan, and natural fibers honor the heritage of handcrafted materials while supporting environmental awareness. 3. Smart mix of old and new. Antique furniture can be paired with modern lighting, art, or technology to maintain historical charm without sacrificing comfort. 4. Versatile application across homes. Colonial design enhances various architectural styles, from heritage buildings to modern tropical villas and contemporary apartments. Through these adaptations, colonial interior design continues to evolve while paying tribute to its historical roots. How to achieve colonial interior design in your home. Incorporating colonial style into your space is possible with thoughtful planning and design choices. Here are practical tips. Start with a neutral foundation for walls and flooring. Choose solid wood furniture with classic craftsmanship. Incorporate cane, rattan, or wicker elements for textural contrast. Add botanical motifs through textiles or artwork.